Elway's got nowhere else to turn but us. And I want to know what he knows.
Got a lead on his 20.
Unidad is hunting him down. Head to their base, see if you can find intel on his location there.
Jesus, you like giving us the impossible missions. So give us a call if you find something out before we have to sneak into the devil's asshole, okay?
Deploying drone. That whip's got an alarm. Heads up. We've got Unidad patrols in the area. Probably a response to all the shit we've been stirring here in Okoro. That brings us to 10. Enemy spotted. Marking an enemy. It's 15 hombres. Enemy marked.
Y que se vienen los plomazos de Nesa, cabrón.
¿Qué pedo, gringos? ¿Quieren irse de mojados para su casa?
Call for some rebels to back us up. Get ready. Fire.
Copy. Opening fire.
Target down.
Shots fired. Unidad's in. Keep it quiet. They know.
Coming up on the target area now. Get ready. Bowman can't wait to take a run at El Emisario. So watch your fire. We need to take him alive.
Copy that. Sniper, get down!
Fucking hell!
A todas las unidades, comiencen el ataque.
You're in bad shape. Take cover.
Just stay down, I'll be...
Fucking hell. I'll be damned.
Ladies and gentlemen, El Emisario has left the building. Killed himself rather than face his own grandfather. That's fucked up.
I feel like we drove him to it.
Come on, man, stop it with that shit. He made a choice.
We need to check the body. See if he's got anything on him. Hey, got a suicide note. Bowman, this is Nomad. We found El Emisario. He's dead.
What happened?
He killed himself. Left a note to El Sueño taking the blame for the loss of the labs. Ready? Fire, fire, fire! I asked Pacatari to send us a vehicle. I called Pacatari for some reinforcements.
Opening fire. Fucker knows somebody's gunning for him now. That LT's getting away.
They're onto us. Stick with it.
Get to cover.
Okay, eyes on target. Here she is.
We did all this work to get her here. It seems a shame to rescue her. Amen to that.
Let me go, herejes inmundos, or I shall call Santa Muerte's divine wrath upon you. The rivers will run red with the blood of you and your families.
That's fucking harsh, lady.
Yo no sé nada. ¿Qué quiere? ¿Qué me va a hacer?
Hang on, I'll drive.
Santa Muerte will strike you and your progeny off the face of the earth.
Worry about your own progeny. Santa Muerte's abandoned you, Bruja.
Own intelligence. Están ciegos. By the time you believe, by the time you understand, it will be too late for you. You believe that your guns give you power over death. But no one has power over Santa Muerte.
And death shall have no dominion.
¿Qué? ¿Qué dijiste, idiota? You let me go, estúpidos. Aquí yo soy el poder. I have power, magic, like you've never seen.
I'm just trying to save your life. Shitballs. Rally point's up ahead.
No. No! Santa Muerte, why have you forsaken me?
Because you're a fucking liar, and instead of venerating Santa Muerte, you tried to use her.
Seems like Santa Muerte rides with us now, bitch.
No. There's God and Santa Muerte testing my faith. I am being tested as fire tests and purifies gold. Santísima Muerte. When my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Santísima Muerte is my rock, my fortress, my deliverer. Wrap your wings around me. Protect me from the storm, and bring your wrath upon my enemies.
We've seen your wrath, Santera, and honestly, we're not impressed.
I have done nothing wrong. Santa Muerte is my light and my way. Worshipping her is not against the law.
No, but recruiting people into a criminal organization sure as fuck is.
Judgment is reserved for God and Santísima Muerte.
Maybe in the next life, but not here. You want to earn some absolution? What do you know about Sueño?
I am no Judas. No te equivoques. I will never betray Brother Sueño.
You know, people like you aren't treated very nicely in prison. Other inmates tend to make their life hell.
I have the faith to survive in hell.
Nomad, well done in Espiritu Santo.
Any word on how this...
I am not a liar. I have killed thousands. I have fed more drug fiends than the top 3 pharmaceutical companies combined. I have stolen children from parents, wives from husbands, wiped out entire generations. But lying, that I have never done.
Replenish our supplies.
You mean fish? Nah, you mean caiman. You know, those little alligators?
For expiration date with the cartel.
What do we know?
The damage you've done to cartel production. Forced La Gringa to start cutting the purity of her coat to keep up with demand. Maybe she was playing for time, hoping she could get things back under control before Sueño noticed. If so, she bet wrong.
No mames, güey. Acabo de escuchar un tiro. Ah, huevo, seguro que me está...
Sorry about the interruption.
No problem. The damage
We've got a location.
you've done to cartel production. Forced La Gringa to start cutting the purity of her coat to keep up with demand. Maybe she was playing for time, hoping she could get things back under control before Sueño noticed. If so, she bet wrong.
Now Sueño's going to make an example out of her.
There's a crew on the way to her house right now. La Gringa's got nowhere to run.
Unless we give her a way out.
Exactly. I need you to haul ass and get to her house in Prugillo. Convince her she's better off with us than with Sueño and get her to the extraction point.
Operation Kingslayer has all the makings of a political mess.
We sure stepped in shit this time.
It's when the bureaucrats start asking us to bend morals and laws that I start to worry.
But politicians do it all the time.
That's because politicians already have somebody ready-made to take the fall.
You mean us, don't you? You mean this time it's us. Great.
I got a third target. I've got eyes on the assistant. Keep your distance and sure as shit keep him alive. We have to tail him to El Cerebro. Buckle up, people.
All right, we're all clear. Go ahead, I'll catch up.
I asked Pakatari to send us a vehicle. Operation Kingslayer has all the makings of a political mess.
We sure stepped in shit this time.
It's when the bureaucrats start asking us to bend morals and laws that I start to worry.
But politicians do it all the time.
That's because politicians already have somebody ready-made to take the fall.
You mean us, don't you? You mean this time it's us. Great.
All right, good to go.
Shit, we're made. The assistant's making a break for it.
The drone is up. I've got eyes on the assistant. Keep your distance and sure as shit keep him alive. We have to tail him to El Cerebro.
Bajen las armas.
I got it. I'll fly.
Hang back, they see you. Engage him.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us. not sure Bowman understands who we are, asking us to use an innocent woman as leverage.
She's one of those handlers who thinks we just do wet work.
To be clear, we are not harming this woman unless she tries to kill one of us.
Roger that.
Sure are a lot of lights and switches up here.
Hey man, try to take us off some sweet jumps, alright?
Deploying drone. I've got eyes on the assistant. Keep your distance and sure as shit keep him alive. We have to tail him to El Cerebro.
They're gonna see you. Hold up.
Place. If El Cerebro is in there, snatch a grab. We want him alive, got it?
Can't see squat. The drone's being jammed. Ready? Open fire. Call Pacatari for some room.
I'm engaging tankers.
Looks like we've riled them up. He's dead. Watch your step. These guys know something's up. The alarm. What's our play? Kill confirmed.
Take cover!
Damn, that guy's dead.
Why is there so much breathing? You know how much moisture leaves a human's body in one breath. I can keep 2 operators alive in there, but only if I make room for only one. What would NASA do?
Fucking hell.
Está bien, ganaron. Ya está.
Gotcha.
My apologies. I think you can see why I might allow myself to be excited, though. This is a disturbing development. Disturbing development.
Don't blame you at all.
I mean, you don't look like the sort who would work for Santa Blanca, which means you're likely with the American government, which implies I'm in for an extended disruption on my plans.
You'll adjust.
I don't have to adjust. I plotted all this out already. Weeks ago, in fact. Maybe months. I just need to activate contingency plan Alpha Set 984.
Which is?
Going along with whatever you fine people want me to do, of course. At least for now. It maximizes my chances of survival while I figure out which one of my escape plans might still be viable.
I think we're gonna get along just fine.
Yeah, welcome looking for me, you know? You know? She always keeps tabs on me, even when she thinks she's ignoring me. I really ought to go back, or she'll worry. I could fire myself out of the back hatch.
I prefer you didn't.
But I've almost cracked this. You know how cold it is underwater? The issue of chemical binding? Not an issue. It ought to be easy to find monoethanolamine in Bolivia, right? It's just an issue of scale. Can I call Nidia Flores? She's probably busy, but she won't mind. She knows me. We're close. What am I talking? Scrubbing? No. I mean, scrubbing needs 2 compartments. Wouldn't leave room for any people.
That's so?
I want suspects for a Colombian submersible.
We're at the rally point. I'll take him from here.
Thank you, baby Jesus. I'm sick of listening to this guy.
Now you know how we feel every time you open your mouth.
¡Paz! ¡Está bien, me rindo!
Ma'am, Nidia will be looking for me.
Good, because we're looking for her.
They say you've got a good brain between those ears, camarada. Now that you're up Schitt's Creek without a submersible, you may have figured out that you need me to help you, and I will, once you help me.
Huh. Forgive me for asking, but what do you think this is? Compelling? Dramatic? The rocks here have been around for centuries, long before you were a gamete in your father's testicle, and they'll be around long after you've gone back to the dust. Do you understand? These rocks have more significance in the universe than you do, than your high and your hypocritical war on rocks. Are you taking me to Nidia, or are we waiting for her?
Do you not understand that I will lock you up in prison, where tattooed neo-Nazis will use you as a human pincushion for their dicks?
The problem is that you still think that anything matters. Anal rape, cocaine, murder. It's all nonsense. Do you think the jaguars waste any concern on how they feel? Or that the rabbits they eat contemplate the name of God? Meanwhile, you're still lying to yourself, convincing yourself that you make a difference.
So nothing matters to you, El Cerebro?
El Cerebro? I am not El Cerebro. El Cerebro slipped through your fingers before you even knew he was there.
What do you mean we got the wrong guy?
Looks like El Cerebro planted most of the intel we followed. He led us on a wild goose chase while he bugged out.
Then who the fuck is Bowman talking to?
El Cerebro's top submersible designer. A sacrificial lamb, basically.
Damn, that.
Here's a lesson in cocaineonomics. The biggest mistake most.
شوفوا قلبي الجامد متكتف رنك كردانك بتشحتف ما تعوز اللي يقول لها لأ ده الرق في رقتها بيعزف مش شاغل.
¿Quién me prestará unos pesos ya?
I'll catch up with you.
El Sueño's discovered that La Gringa's been cutting the purity of her cocaine, and he sent his people to kill her. Get to La Gringa and bring her in. She's got nowhere else to go.
I'm not sure Bowman understands who we are. Asking us to use an innocent woman as leverage.
She's one of those handlers who thinks we just do wet work.
To be clear, we are not harming this woman unless she tries to kill one of us.
Roger that.
Deploying drone. Ready? Open fire. Put a call to the rebels for some reinforcements.
Copy that. A third team will be right there.
Tango's fucking down.
Fucking hell.
Opening fire on these fuckers.
Ready? Fire, fire, fire.
Roger that.
Call up the rebels to draw their attention. Pujio village is just up ahead. Let's hustle and get to La Gringa before the cartel does.
Right behind you, boss.
Looks like some of Qatari's rebels are defending La Gringa's house.
Fuck's going on here?
No more tangos here. I think that's all of them.
Acabo de estar arreglando los cacharros.
Who are you? What do you want?
We're your way out of this mess, understand? But we've got to move right fucking now.
I won't get far. Not like this. I know someone. He lives in a village not far from here. The rebels, they take their wounded to him when they can.
How well do you know that rebel doctor?
He won't talk to the cartel, if that's what you're afraid of. They don't scare him. He's the bravest guy I know. We met when I was working with the NGO. The fake NGO. He was the local guy.
And a few years and a few tons of coke later, he introduces you to the rebels.
He needed medicine and vaccines. I had the money.
I don't get you. What do you get out of playing both sides?
Well, I came to Bolivia to help people. That's all I was trying to do.
Buenas, amigo. Here's your copter.
I'll fly.
Good to go.
Engage targets. Gotta hold on, Gringa. We still got a ways to go.
I don't know about that. I'm going to talk.
Is she gonna make it?
She'd better. What were rebels doing protecting your house?
That Qatari must have sent them. To protect me. I can't. Please. I've got to stop.
Don't quit on me now, lady. Sight's just up ahead.
Who are you? What do you want?
You know this woman?
What happened?
Believe me, Doc, it's better if you don't know. She's got a GSW to the shoulder. Can you help her?
Sí, por supuesto. Leave her with me. I'll do everything I can.
We'll buy you all the time we can, but you need to work fast. I've got a feeling Sueño's not done with her yet. Contact. Sueño sent another crew after us. Take him down. Fire.
Helicopter incoming. Are we shooting rebels?
Fucking
I'm opening fire. Get to cover.
Hang tight. I'm heading your way.
Thanks.
Kilo spinning.
Frag.
Man down. We got a fucking man down.
Called the rebels for reinforcements.
With me, man. I'll be right there. Thanks, man. We're clear on this side. You'll be fine, man. I'm on my way. Oh, shit, this still hurts. What's the word, boss?
We've given the doc all the time we can. One way or another, we're getting La Gringa out of here. Okay, Gringa, time to go.
Please, just give me a minute. Please stop the bleeding, but I got a ball of lead in my shoulder.
The cocktail the doc just gave you? I bet you can't even feel your face, let alone that bullet.
You got me there.
We're leaving. You feel like you're gonna keel over or puke, just look at the horizon. It'll keep you steady. Let's get back to business.
That Qatari must have sent them to protect me. I feel cold. I'm starting to feel cold.
We're at the extraction point. Let's get her to Bowman and call for a dust-off.
Oye, gracias. With El Cerebro on the run, the cartel is clearing out of Caimanes.
Ow! Oh, God! What are you doing to me?
It's called tactical field care. Stop being such a pussy.
Ow! God! God!
Here.
Open it. Open it.
Her extract is 10 minutes out.
Oh, fucking hell. I'll be glad to be rid of this whiny bitch. Your little clinic might have bought you some redemption with the rebels, but that crap doesn't play for me. But with a set of lungs like yours, you're gonna be a big hit in prison.
Why don't you just let me die?
The thought had crossed my mind. But 5 years from now, 10, hell, maybe even 50 years from now, when I'm so old I can't even wipe my own ass, it's gonna make me happy to think of little Mousy La Gringa and all those nasty friends she made in prison.
I don't care. I'm happy to go to your prison. A lifetime, 10 lifetimes in prison is better than Sueño. Your worst could never compare to his.
Felice's house is just up ahead. Let's haul ass before the cartel gets to him. God damn it. Too fucking late. Felice is dead. Fucking savages.
His data should be somewhere around here.
Shit, the hard drive is missing. Bowman, Felice is dead and his hard drive's gone.
The murder made quite a goddamn mess, didn't he?
How the hell did you know that?
Because the moron just tweeted a selfie on the tweet, sending you the location. Get there fast and see if you can recover Felice's hard drive before it's destroyed.
On our way. I'm taking the bike.
Got enemy activity nearby. Hey, an Unidad soldier. All right, we're good.
I asked the rebels to send over a vehicle for us.
Everybody hold up, we got hostiles in the area.
Got eyes on our killer. We need that hard drive. Take him alive.
Come get some, pendejo!
Clear on my side.
Got you sick fuck.
What are you talking about? I didn't do nothing!
You took a selfie with your victim, you idiot.
You saw that? Fucking badass, right?
You think that was badass? What do you see what I do to you? Hint, it involves a wire hanger and a whole lot of electricity.
Chingado, man. What do you want?
Ramon Felice's hard drive. Now.
That's it? And I already dropped it off for those hacker nerds. Not far from here.
Let's grab that hard drive fast, before Santa Blanca wipes it.
Go ahead without me. Damn,
Shit balls.
Fuck!
Coming up on the place where the killer said the hard drive should be. Eyes up.
Guys ready? Fire.
Call for some rebels to back us up.
Engaging tangos.
Their LT's trying to run.
Grenade! Grenade, watch out! Chopper, down. Fucking smoke the ego. No. That guy's history.
There's the hard drive. Secure it.
You guys all good? Damn, I love this job.
Bowman, we've secured Felice's hard drive.
Good work. It's intact?
Affirmative. We plugged the key into it and are uploading the data to you now.
Excellent. According to...
I'm not sure Bowman understands who we are. Asking us to use an innocent woman as leverage.
She's one of those handlers who thinks we just do wet work.
To be clear, we are not harming this woman unless she tries to kill one of us.
Roger that.
Keep an eye out. General's daughter should be around. I got one of those cartel medals here. Some Sicario is gonna miss this.
Hola.
Okay, all clear.
The drone is up. There she is. Keep in mind, she's our only lead. We need her.
And if she don't want to help?
Like I said, she's our only lead.
Hey, ¿qué pasa?
Erendira, buen día. We're looking for General Barrow.
Lo siento. Mire, I cannot help you.
You can and you will. We know the General is your father. We only want to meet him.
¿Qué? Why should I believe you?
Because you don't have a choice. You think the cartel sicarios are bad? We are the people they have nightmares about.
Papa? Some gringos have found me. Americanos. I am not hurt. They say they only want to meet. No, I do not trust them. He says you are malos, peligrosos, but he has given me a location.
Saddle up. We need General Barrow alive, but I don't expect him to be friendly. Want to get to that RV first.
Holy crap! Going on.
Nada que reportar por el momento. Continuamos con la búsqueda de los enemigos. Acabamos de enviar tropas adicionales justo ahora. Ataquen y destruyan al enemigo.
This is the RP. Keep your eyes open. I don't trust the big man.
Los soldados enemigos rompieron contacto y se retiraron. Es hora de terminar la búsqueda.
It's the General.
Eyes on an Unidad ground, close to the truck.
Ambush! General fucked us over. Get him! I called the rebels for reinforcements.
Watch it, that thing's about to blow.
Coopere todo saldrá bien.
Our good general knows when to surrender.
Didn't have to go down this way.
Of course it did, Capo. You threatened my daughter. My only regret is that I did not bring more soldiers.
Sir, we've come to you because we need your help.
This is not how one asks for help in Bolivia.
This isn't the normal kind of help we're asking. We're working with the rebels. We want to take down the Santa Blanca cartel. You can't be happy with how they're treating your country.
Do they treat it any worse than the Americans?
Sir, your daughter's safe. And whether or not you help us, you are coming with us.
My daughter, she's nothing like me. She's kind where I am coarse. She thinks with her heart. I could never understand that.
I'm not sure we're supposed to understand our children. We just hope they learn from our mistakes.
She's ashamed of me, no? Ashamed of me and my mistakes? She could have hidden from my enemies in England, in España. Instead, she stays in Bolivia, teaching in a poor school in a dangerous area. She's trying to serve my penance for me.
You're no angel, sir. But I think your daughter's the...
Bastardo, these were good men!
Approaching extraction point. Keep your eyes open.
I was in La Paz trying to speak to the president when you had my daughter call me. I have known for some time that our relationship with Santa Blanca is untenable, but I could not...
Nomad, this is Bowman. Beautiful work in Florioro.
Go find Jensen and bring him to me.
I'll drive. We're entering the witch market.
El Mercado de las Brujas. This is where the locals come to buy good luck charms, love potions, or even a curse for their enemies.
No shit. Eyes up. If the intel is correct, Jensen could be here somewhere.
What in the hell is a guy like Jensen looking for in a place like this?
Whatever it is, it ain't good. Trust me.
Eyes on Jensen. Take him alive.
Back off! I'm a scientist!
Hands! Show me your hands. Do it now.
Goddamn fascists! You've got no right! I'm an American citizen!
Stay where you are and put your hands on your head. Don't make me tell you again.
Yeah? Or what?
Shit, Jensen's getting away. The lieutenant's trying to escape.
Got you, man. Just hold on.
Get away from me, you fucking psycho! Got no tangos on my radar. Engaging.
I asked them, engaging hostiles. Call for some rebels to back us up.
Man down! Cover fire! Hang in there, I'm coming your way. Put him in a body.
Fuck took you so long.
Copter, get down.
Get your goddamn hands off me!
You try that shit again and I'll put a bullet in both your legs. You read me? Now shut up and move.
We're in a target-poor environment.
This is bullshit. You can't just arrest somebody for going to a fucking market.
Save it, Jensen. We know all about you and the cartel. What I don't get is this. You're a scientist, right? So what the hell were you doing in a place like the witch market?
Processing cocaine isn't just about solvents and reagents. Not the way I do it, at least. I get powders from the brew host that speed the process along and make the result more potent.
Yeah? Like what?
Like, fuck you. That's proprietary information. You want my secret recipe, you gotta pay for it.
fucking hell!
Looks like they're feeling funky. Okay, we're still good.
I have a shot. Engaging. Fuck! Sniper! Shit, we've got cartel soldiers inbound.
You got no fucking right, you hear me? You don't have any legal jurisdiction here. I mean, even if you did, I'm a U.S. citizen.
Out of the cage. Engaging tangos.
Open fire. Called the rebels for reinforcements.
The LT's making a run for it. Shit, take cover! Shit, they spotted us.
You'll be okay, I'm on my way.
God damn it, close.
Man down. Just hold on to your shit. Man down.
Quédate quieto.
¡Ya valió madres! ¡Aquí están las armas!
Mierda.
Ahora sí, ya valió. ¡Madre!
¡Qué chingados!
¡Me doy! ¡Puta! ¡Valió verga!
Hola, caballero. Such a pleasure to meet you. Would you like...
Oh, you have made me very happy.
Opening fire.
Get ready. Fire. Call for some rockets. Shit balls.
Oh, here we go. They've seen us.
Cartel Sicarios are engaging. Where the hell do they come from?
We got the fucking helo.
Eyes on the prisoner's location.
This is a lot of trouble for a rebel comms guy.
Chalk it up as a favor to the rebels. We can always use their good grade. Wait.
What the fuck you doing?
Didn't expect a dam this big out here.
Yeah, the locals use it for irrigation. Seems like overkill. I reckon somebody was optimistic about agriculture in Bolivia.
Who the hell are you?
Our mutual friend Pat Katari sent us.
Está bueno. Let's go.
Looks like we're routing them. They got backup rolling in. Opening fire on these fuckers.
Katari is mi señor comandante, pero I did not think he would call upon Americans just to rescue little me.
You have some technical expertise that's pertinent to our current mission. We're gonna hijack DJ Perico's radio signal.
No mierda. My wife loves that guy's show. I keep telling her, hey, he's the enemy, caray. She's like...
These mausoleums look cute in comparison to the others.
SB builds them for their brachones. I've got a healthy enough ego to say I want something like this when I die. What are you, a SEAL? Because I don't know any quiet professionals who'd need something like this.
Compa, thank you again.
This broadcast could be a greater victory than any of us.
We're hearing Pat Katari's broadcast all over the country. DJ Perico is already a fool, but now